Are you a diabetic and tired of traditional treatments with lots of drugs and that diet where you can't eat what you want just to control your blood sugar levels? Seriously, guys, you need to know about Cellucare, a supplement that has changed the lives of thousands of people. It can help you, so stay until the end, understand everything about it so you can really decide whether this supplement is for you or not. I also have an important warning to share, which you should know before you buy, right? Then stay until the end. I'll leave the link to the official website below, in the video description, and also in the first comment. If you watch the video to the end and want more information or have any questions, the link is below. But remember that the alerts will only be available here in this video. Well, guys, as I said at the beginning of the video, dealing with diabetes is not easy, right? It can affect many parts of your body, your organism. It can affect your vision, your cardiovascular system. You can develop kidney and lung problems, not to mention that it can affect your whole body, right? You feel the urge to eat sweets, to eat, which can lead to obesity. Sometimes it can affect your energy levels and your sleep at night. So sometimes you have to take a lot of medication, 1, 2, for every side effect the other brings. It's crazy, right? Take this treatment to try to control your blood sugar levels. But Cellucare is different, guys. First of all, it's not a medicine. It's a supplement. It's made with only natural ingredients and does all this work for you in just one formula. You don't need to take a lot of medication or follow a strict diet. Only Cellucare will control your blood sugar levels, and you don't have to worry about side effects or contraindications because it's completely natural, right? You will control and balance your blood sugar levels, keeping them regulated. So, if you suffer from diabetes, you can feel very safe taking it, right? And it will bring many other consequences, such as better energy levels, better mood, more disposition, better sleep at night. You'll also decrease stress and anxiety, so you'll gradually reduce your emotional cravings, and it will also give you more mental clarity. All this in just one formula, right? Just remember to take it every day. And if it doesn't work for you, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee waiting for you on their official website, right? So you can practically use Cellucare for free, because if you don't get results, just ask for your money back and they'll refund 100% of the cost, even if you've used all the bottles. The cool thing is that the product is delivered super fast. And another plus point is that they have a team of humans ready to assist you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. My only warning about Cellucare is where you buy it, because this supplement is only available for purchase on the official website, nowhere else. So keep this information in mind. That's why I left the link below in the video description and also in the first comment. That's the only place you can buy it, right? Also, guys, the official website is the place where you can check out all the complete information about it. See people's testimonials, all the ingredients, and buy the original product. So don't forget to go there now and check it out.